Hello and welcome back to the channel where we try to compound 10k by 1% every day until 1 mil. Today is day 14. Our equity has dropped quite a bit over the last few days, back to 15.3k, which is at the moment still fine. Let's first view a quick trade disclaimer, pause the screen, make sure you understand, and then quickly get into our accounts. So our equity is at 15.3. At the best moment we were around 21k. The last few days Bitcoin has moved up a bit, and since we weren't in longs and only in shorts, many of the positions are less in the green, so less equity. I'm still not considering closing down the shorts. I did get into a few other positions, but most of them are quite small because we don't have a lot of equity left. So even if all the positions that now have a stop loss that is not at break even, I think we will lose about another 800 for available balance, and then we are can absolutely do nothing anymore than close shorts for more balance again. So the last 2 days I didn't do much. I still expect this to go down. The question is, how far will it go up first? Let's do the BTC and ETH analysis, and let's see what we can find in the charts for today. I will mute the mic and just put on some music.
I was overdrawn.
So I still think we can be very simple about this. Let's turn everything on. I know it's will be a bit cloudy on the charts, but I know which lines are which, so it's just how I do the work. So basically we have this local range that we broke out to. We got back above that daily. Where is the brush? Got back above that daily. Daily open is also over there. We still have the pivot for today, which is untapped. We have a point of control in the CC on the value area low on a naked point of control, which is good. Basically, how I would look at this is that we still have poor lows over here. We have a monthly naked point of control, and we have the bigger CC in this region. Also the 7.5 0.75 speed fan with the local value area low, a weekly and a daily that is untapped, and a monthly and the CC that is already tapped with some high volume nodes above. So this area is still a very important area. Did we just front run it and we go up from here? It is possible, of course, but then we'll probably visit this area in a later time. We do have a lot of naked point of controls and a lot of poor highs above us. Very simply, I would say that this either goes two ways. We tap that pivot, backtest this very local channel, get back above that daily, and move up from here to the other daily, where there are some point of controls, where we have a big VWAP, a daily that is then tapped, and a naked point of control that is tapped, and we take it from there then. Or we fall back into this channel, go to the CC of this move, and then either break out of this channel again or do a full rotation. And then finally tapping that support area for eventually. Probably we'll need to get over there somewhere in the following 2 weeks, I think. Unless we crash down completely, which is unlikely. So since I don't have a lot of equity left on the account, and I do still want to stay in my shorts unless we get back above 44, 45, then I'll probably need to close some shorts. So I think it's very easy for today. Today is Thursday already. So can we see this as a failed move? One thing I have seen that yesterday, which makes me kind of think that this whole upper part of the charts is some divergence out of this channel and we get back in. That is because if you see, this whole rise was with a loss of open interest. Okay, you don't see this. This whole rise from 39,600 to the upper side was first with a lot of loss of open interest, which is not bullish, and then we did backtest and did fall back, and it's only then that the longs came in, and we again have a lot of longs opening at these highs, and we are kind of stuck there right now, kept up by the daily, and same thing on the USDT pair. This first big rise is all shorts closing, and then the longs come in after we already are at the highs, and the longs come in. It did got fighted back a lot with a lot of shorts as well. So will this be just a divergence out of this local range, get back into it, and then take those poor lows? It's definitely a possibility for me. If we do get that move, this is going to be the important area to watch, because we would backtest that pivot for today, or tap it at least. Value area high of that local range. We have a weekly view up there. We have a 0.618 speed fan. I think that's the speed fan. Let's see. Yeah, it's the speed fan of the last high. So there might be a possibility that we reverse here and keep this bull trend on the local time frames for another leg up. Some people might say this is a bull flag, but I actually don't like it as a bull flag. I more see it as a rounded top. Let's see if we can put a curve on this. And there are a lot of traffic again at the highs. I know it's the local highs, and we need to lose this daily again before getting back into, and this will be again a very important region, point of control, CC of that last move, a naked point of control. If we get there today, that will be the previous day value area low, and that will also be the midpoint of the channel. So for the day trades, I think for now you can still stay in shorts until this is backtested. That would be take profit 1. Then see if the reaction brings us back up. So that's how I look at the chart right now. I'm not gonna do much today. My trades are running. I will just see what is happening, and I think that's the key thing you should take from this. Okay, have a nice day.